Living for eternity. Sabi sa 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 18, so we fix our eyes not on what is sin but on what is unseen, since what is sin is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal. Yung life natin on earth is so short, so fleeting, but eternity with God is everlasting. Marami tayong bagay na pwedeng kapusin sa problema, sa mga challenges na meron tayo. Pwede tayong mga buhay na puno ng complaint o puno ng kalungkutan, no? But things that are eternal cannot be seen. Sabi nga ni Paul, these are things that is unseen. These are faith, these are hope, these are love, these are the things that God offers. These are the spiritual things that we can get from Christ. How does living with an eternal perspective change your priorities today? Sabi nga ni C.S. Lewis, aim at heaven and you will get earth thrown in. Aim at earth and you will get neither.